because of my big experience, I have like a formula now. So it is like a skill. A network is a skill. You can develop it. I am very communicative person in reality. That is why it is not so difficult for me to meet new people when they see me firstly. So now I know special words, phrases, information that I should show a person to motivate him communicate with me in the future. And if you want to know how to become rich and communicate with extremely successful people, leave your application to my online training. The link will be below. When I start communicating with somebody, I always ask about the sphere where they work, because it is their passion. They spend a lot of time because of this, and this factor is like good indicator that this person will give you his contact or telephone number. And if you want to continue communication with this person, working relationships are the easiest way to start doing it, to be in contact. So if you show somebody that you're interested in his work, for example, that you can be useful for him, then he will be more open to you as a professional in investments. Because this is all about trust, personal communication, people's openness, unclosedness, and something like that. For example, I can tell you from my real life. When I went to, actually I was invited to one event in Russia. It was related to contemporary art, and my and one person who works here as art dealer, I met him at that event, and he was with his client, and he looked absolutely common. He was a man of the age of 50, and I didn't really think that I will be in contact with him in the future, that he can become my client. And because of the fact that I have a lot of different opportunities about which I tell a person during small conversation that I am successful, that I'm rich, but not like rich itself. So I show that I work with like the most luxury real estate in Russia, that I don't work for somebody else, for company, that I have links in bank sphere, for example. So I have a lot of like such phrases that I know that catch attention of such rich people. And so I told him during like some minutes some small information that shows my unusual opportunities that can be interesting for him. And then after some period of time, I came to him and told like I can sell your real estate. If you have, you can write me in WhatsApp. And he told me, okay, what is your name? So he really gave me his telephone number. So you should show a person that you can be useful for him. And even very, very rich people gives me their telephone numbers. So if we talk about like real estate, for example, and about this person in Dolce & Gabbana, I was in shock. that he gave me the most expensive real estate I have ever had. And I would not think that this person is so rich. But he really gave me his like private personal telephone number. It would, of course, it is like maybe moments in Russia, but I know that people can give their like work telephones. And if we talk about like art dealers, brokers in stock market, or art dealers, or I think that I also told about art dealers, and so they can give you like more working so telephone number that they use for work. But if we talk about my experience, these people have one telephone number for everybody. Maybe investments works like in the investments it works like this. And so I really recommend you, after you meet somebody, to write this person in social media. Like, I really recommend you WhatsApp, but you can use Telegram too, and in other abroad countries you can have another messenger, and which people use regularly. So you should understand that you should write there where the person always can answer you. And if you don't, if you only meet a person and you didn't have some clear moments where you can be useful for him, if we talk about job, even in this case, I recommend you to write a person firstly after event. It is good, like, it is like not kindness, it is more about good manners and etiquette, I think, working etiquette. But also, if you write it, you is sure that this person have your telephone number too, and he or she will be able to write you if they need help. And also, if you wrote a person, he can remember that you're a good, kind person. And then if you didn't communicate with the person during some years, for example, he will forget, or he will remember you. He will not forget you, and he will see that you have already had something in context. So it was like he will understand that you're a person from the past, not from somewhere else, and you will not be able to tell a person who you are. If you didn't write him at the same time when you meet this person, then he cannot remember who you are, and you will be able to write him, hello, my name is da-da-da, I work in this company, da-da-da, I need your help, and something like that. People don't like this. And also, I can really recommend you not to write at the same time. So you can do everything that you want, but if we talk about my experience, after event, when I have like 5 telephone numbers, for example, I don't write people at the same time after some hours even. So I always need time to put this person to my notebook, and I need energy for it. And that is why I always try to wait some time. One day it is okay. If you write after 1 week, it is something strange. But some days it is normal. And so, it is all that I wanted to tell you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.